brand new season. So today we commence the second meeting of the second session of the ninth Parliament. I have great expectations as far as this season is concerned. I believe that as part of our roles, oversight responsibility in holding government accountable, perusing documents, interrogating documents, standing in the gap, together with my colleagues from the minority side, we'll be giving a good account of ourselves, and we hope to also demonstrate our resilience, our capabilities, share knowledge, and also contribute effectively towards government business. Where we need to interrogate it, we'll interrogate it. And even where we need to have a passionate, legitimate debate, we definitely will also engage in that. But all geared towards finding cutting-edge solutions to the problems bedeviling our nation. So guys, I'll keep you informed. To my constituents, the good people of the Akuapem North constituency, your Member of Parliament will also be doing his bit as your elected representative, and also conveying the concerns and sentiments of my constituents to the August House of Parliament, and making a manifest during debate and contribution as well. Thank you.